turn left and we'll go up to the Subic Point, which is now the SBMA National Airport. They have flights regularly in there, but not like the big airports. They still have flights in there. Men working. So happy I found it. Guys, I mean, you don't know what it means to me. They're working the road right here. I have to go there. There we go. Now they're fixing the road there, though, at least. Maybe that means they're about to do some construction. Either way, it doesn't matter to me. They can leave the Quonset huts there forever. I like to see them restored. Really would. I would even give to that, have them restored back to wherever. But it wouldn't take a lot, guys. Just a little jungle cutting out of the way would be the main part. Then, you know, repaint, sandblast the walls maybe a little bit, repaint, and put everything back the way it was. Man, that would be awesome. Or you could rent them out, you know, if you own the place. I tell you, if anybody wants to go in on it with me, and they're really serious about it, you let me know, and I will surely check into it. I surely will. Okay, we'll cross up construction. Yeah, I mean, I know Subic Point's this way, so we'll be going out to the airport, the new airport. It's not called Subic Point. It says here, SBMA's International Airport, Subic International Airport. New container terminal. Go there. You got oil here, gasoline. Place for the ships and stuff. It's a good thing that you wear your seatbelt in this SBMA, because police here sees you without your seatbelt, they'll pull you over. It is a law. Enter to QB this way. All right, we're gonna go to QB. Subic Bay International Airport, we're there. Now guys, I'm going to use my other camera if I get to go into the airport there. It doesn't look like I'm going to get to, because I'm on the wrong side. And you know what? All those towers that I used to have built up through here, they're all gone. They must not use the tower at all. Sick. I don't see any in the jungle to the left of me. So guys, we made it out to Subic Point there, which is Subic International Airport, and the airport is to my right. Subic Bay is to my right. We'll ride on out there out here just a little ways, and I'm gonna do a turn around and go back and check out the yacht club. Look at those mountains, that's beautiful. There's a shipyard over here. Also to my right. Or a dry dock shipyard where they repair. They got the digging place full too. Looks like to me. Okay, let's see what we got. The beaches. hotels, restos, villas, naval magazine, and Barong Gate. So, going down towards the beaches, guys. We'll check out the Subic Bay beaches right here. We're way out on Subic Bay. The airport still to my right, the runway. And there's a tower ahead of it. But I don't see the end towers anymore. I guess they're all gone, guys. All my towers that I was involved with are gone. And there was 2 along this roadside here. They were the big towers. There's a control tower right there. Control tower. Right to the beach. There's a control tower right to the right. Subic Bay International Airport's control tower. Right there. You guys gotta look at it. I'm gonna ride out to the beaches. It's right past there. See what it looks like out through here. If they cleaned it up, keep it clean, whatever. We'll get an idea. Now they don't keep the small bays up anymore. They don't look like. There's still somebody working in some of those because there's aircraft. Must be offices. Yeah. Headed out the backside. This used to be all base, you know, all jungle and base. Jungle up against the base. It's awesome. Awesome, I get to see all this again. Anyhow, here's the back. There's some technician services. Many guards. Look at that plane. Don't know much about your planes, guys, or I'll be talking about it. I just don't know. I know I got on a C-130 or a C-5 whenever I went somewhere with the Marine Corps or a ship. Plenty ships out here. You got to be safe around here because now it's a Freeport, which means they don't have taxes, but everything's expensive, so you can get yourself in a pickle. Sure, the fines for doing something wrong here is out of this world. ACEA. Straight ahead, then turn around. Subic Bay. So maybe I'm making it back around. I don't think so. Where's the beaches? Yeah, beach resort. ACEA. All Hands Beach. Man, it's closed off. Turn around, guys, because I don't think they want me doing that way. Zambales Highway. I can go out Zambales Highway. What do you think? Should I? I think not. I think I'm going to go back to the main side. One day I will go out on Zambales Highway. That goes to the mountains. I'm sure there's a checkpoint somewhere along there. But I don't know where it is. Didn't know where it is. Could have went it back out there, but I ain't going to. Anyway, we made it to a destination. There are no towers left at the Cubic Point that I had anything to do with. On this side, I guess. I guess they were obsolete and they took them down. Now they use radar to play no radar. And they have lights that they can see in their cockpits on the ground. Flying says changed a lot, so they don't have any need for those towers, but tearing them down, man. That's weird. Maybe they fell down during some kind of cataclysm, some kind of typhoon. No idea. They're not here anymore. Anyway, guys, I'm going to pause you, and when we get back towards the yacht club, I'll holler back.